Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints video. This is Kyra and today is Sunday, the last day of our Thanks a Million event, where all week we were giving away freebies and goodies and having videos to celebrate reaching 1 million sales in our Etsy shop. So if you have only just come back to the channel recently and you actually missed out on the whole week, don't worry, because we will still have all of the freebies and video tutorials that we released still up on the channel, so you can go back and watch those videos and still get the freebies. The only thing that isn't available anymore are the daily sales that have happened. However, today is the last day and you can still get 30% off shop-wide in our Etsy shop, so everything in the shop is 30% off right now. So make sure to go over and check out our Etsy shop and get any last items that you're looking for, knowing that this will be the last day that they will be on sale. And today's video is a very special video because we are finally announcing the winners of the giveaways this week. So every day this week we chose a winner from the comment section of the daily video to win an add-on kit, the Keepsakes add-on kit that goes with the freebie Keepsakes journal kit that we gave away on Monday. So we're going to announce all of those winners, as well as the grand prize winner who is winning the journal that I made throughout the week. You can see me kind of flipping through it here. This journal is the grand prize, so without much further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into those winners. So for Monday's winner, we have Miss Judith at JJRO at 5294 saying congrats on the 1 million sales. Thank you so much, Judith. You are Monday's winner. For Tuesday's video, we have at R Marlot 1 saying congratulations on your achievement. How amazing. Thank you so much. You are Tuesday's winner. For Wednesday, we have at DM Kersey saying, wow, I love these papers. So excited to get them printed out to use. Thank you. Thank you for commenting on Wednesday's video. For Thursday, we have at Lori88ish saying, so cute, and if you want smaller ones, print 2 to a page. Hugs and smiles. Thank you so much for your advice, and you are Thursday's winner. For Friday, we have at Biker Cherry Girl saying, thank you for all your beautiful work that you all create. I love it. And she uses them in her journals at home. So thank you so much for commenting. You are Friday's winner. And then for Saturday, we have at one and only Spider Monkey saying, what am I going to do next week? I feel thoroughly spoiled having these freebies every day. We're so glad that you enjoyed our full week of giveaways, and congratulations on being Saturday's winner. Now, I know we said we were going to be giving away an add-on kit to one person who comments every day this week, but we decided that we also want to honor the top 5 commenters on our channel who are really consistent with watching our videos and commenting and engaging with our content. So we just wanted to let you guys know that we see your comments and we really appreciate it. So all 5 winners that you see on screen are the winners of an add-on kit as well. So congratulations to all of you and thank you so much for your support. And last but not least, our grand prize winner and the winner of today's junk journal, as well as an add-on kit, would be Deborah Alexander 969. So congratulations to you, Deborah. You are the winner of the junk journal. So congratulations to all of those winners. To claim your prize, all you have to do is go to Etsy and contact us on there, and then we will sort out the last details and make sure that you get your prize. And a quick final reminder that we give away freebies all of the time in our Facebook group, in our newsletter, on our YouTube channel. We have lots of different tutorials that we put out every single week, and we'll likely be having more events in the future. So the best thing you can do to make sure you don't miss out on future sales, freebies, videos, events is to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as joining our Facebook group, signing up for our newsletter, and following us on all of our socials like Pinterest, Instagram, things like that. And I have all of the links to our socials down in the description box, so make sure to hop down there, sign up for all of that, and that way you never miss out on another sale, event, or freebie coming from our channel. All right, so I think that is everything. Thank you so much for joining me during our Thanks a Million event this week. I had a lot of fun crafting. I hope that everyone has been enjoying their freebies and the giveaways and picking up the items that they were looking forward to in the shop. Thank you guys so much again for helping us reach 1 million sales. This is huge. So here's to looking forward to 2 million sales. And I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!